Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt a sense of peace, balance, and calm? What if I told you there's a design style that can transform your home into that kind of sanctuary, blending the best of two cultures known for their serene aesthetics? Welcome to Japandi, a fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality that's taking the design world by storm. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes Japandi so special, how it can enhance your living space, and why it's quickly becoming the go-to style for those seeking simplicity and elegance. Stick around till the end, and you'll discover actionable tips to bring this timeless style into your own home. Let's get started. What is Japandi style? Japandi style is the perfect marriage of two design philosophies that prioritize simplicity, functionality, and connection to nature. Imagine the clean, uncluttered lines of Japanese interiors combined with the cozy, welcoming vibes of Scandinavian design. This hybrid style blends the best of both worlds, creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also deeply calming and functional. Japandi is more than a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that emphasizes mindful living. Key elements of Japandi interior design. To truly embrace Japandi style, it's all about focusing on natural materials, subtle colors, and purposeful design. Let's start with materials. Japandi interiors favor the use of wood, bamboo, and stone to bring a sense of calm and warmth into the home. Think light oak tables, bamboo storage baskets, and stone countertops, each element grounding the space in nature. The color palette in Japandi style is understated, using soft neutral tones like beige, white, muted greens, and gray. These colors allow the natural materials to shine while maintaining a serene and balanced environment. Bold hues are rare, and when they are used, it's often in small accents like throw pillows or artwork. Furniture is minimalist, low profile, and functional. Forget about heavy, ornate pieces. Instead, Japandi focuses on simplicity and efficiency. A low wooden bed frame or a sleek, unadorned sofa is a hallmark of this design. Incorporating greenery is also a key element in Japandi interiors. Adding plants to your space not only brings life indoors, but also connects your home to the natural world, enhancing the calming atmosphere. Finally, Japandi embraces decluttering and minimalist decor. Every item should serve a purpose, contributing to a sense of tranquility and balance. Applying Japandi style in different rooms. Now let's talk about how to bring Japandi style into different rooms of your home, starting with the living room. Here, simplicity and functionality should be your guiding principles. Opt for a neutral colored sofa with clean lines, paired with a simple wooden coffee table. Keep your decor minimal, adding just a few thoughtful items like a piece of minimalist art or a well-placed potted plant to keep the space feeling calm and balanced. In the bedroom, Japandi style creates a serene, restful atmosphere. Think of a low platform bed made from wood, draped in soft linen bedding. Use muted tones on the walls and keep accessories to a minimum. Perhaps a simple bedside lamp or a single piece of art above the bed. The goal is to create a peaceful retreat that promotes relaxation. The kitchen in a Japandi home should be clean, organized, and functional. Choose wooden cabinets and countertops with open shelving to display simple, practical dishware. Keep everything clutter-free to maintain a sense of order and calm. In the bathroom, go for a spa-like feel with natural stone countertops, wooden accents, and soft neutral tones. Incorporate plants to add a touch of greenery and create a tranquil, minimalist sanctuary perfect for relaxation. Benefits of Japandi style. The benefits of Japandi style extend far beyond its aesthetic appeal. Its minimalist approach promotes mental clarity and well-being by creating a clutter-free environment that's both calming and functional. The use of natural materials and sustainable design practices also makes Japandi an eco-friendly choice, aligning with a growing emphasis on conscious living. By combining the best of Japanese and Scandinavian design, Japandi enhances the efficiency and functionality of your home while maintaining a timeless, elegant look that feels warm and inviting. It's a style that truly nurtures both body and mind. Tips to achieve Japandi style in your home. Ready to bring Japandi style into your home? Start by decluttering. Remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose or contribute to a serene atmosphere. Choose a neutral color palette, focusing on soft shades of beige, white, and muted greens. Invest in quality, multifunctional furniture with clean lines and simple forms. Incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and natural fabrics to create warmth and texture. Don't forget to add greenery with carefully placed plants to reinforce the connection to nature. Balance warm and cool tones to achieve a harmonious feel throughout your space. And remember, in Japandi design, less is more. Every item should have a purpose and contribute to the overall tranquility. Conclusion: Japandi style is more than just a design trend. It's a way to create a peaceful, functional home that feels deeply connected to nature. By blending Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian coziness, you can transform your space into a serene retreat that nurtures both mind and body. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips. And don't forget to check the description for additional resources to help you bring Japandi into your home.